Hello friends, in this tutorial we will discuss about the boundary boss base command and what is the difference between the boundary boss base and the locked boss base. So you see here this boundary boss base is hide, so because there is a no material or there is a no component which I made here. So first made one component and now go to the top plane. For using this boundary boss base we need to create different planes. So for what you do, go to the reference geometry and select the plane, and the distance we provided here, that is the distance between two planes, and number of planes I need 2, and just make a distance 60 and click on OK. Now here see these are the two planes. Let's unhide. Now these are the three planes. One is the top plane, then plane 1, plane 2. Now we will make a profile on top plane. So go to the top plane, make it normal, go to the sketch and select a circle and okay, go to a smart dimension and make it 200. Okay, exit from the sketch. Now again choose this second plane and make it normal and make one rectangle here. Go to the smart dimension 90, 120, exit from the sketch. Now select plane 2, go to sketch and make it normal, and again you create one profile here. Again go to a smart dimension 190, 210, exit from the sketch, and now we also make one guide curve here. So for making this guide curve, just go to the sketch and select here a 3D sketch. Once you select the 3D sketch, now choose this spline now exit from this 3D sketch. Now go to the features and choose the command boundary boss base. So after choosing this boundary boss base, here it is asking to provide a direction. So just select this profile, just click on this profile. Now see here there is a twisting happens, so this green dot line should be in equal line so that the profile will not be twist. So just click on this green dot line and drag it here. Again there is a twisting. Now see this green dot line is in equal line or in the same line, so no twisting occur. Now click on OK. Now see here, by using this profile, there are 3 profiles. So after using this 3 profile, we can create a new profile by using this boundary boss base command. So as you see here, I am creating one guide curve here. So how we can use this guide curve? If I want to use this guide curve in the boundary boss base, so just click on the boundary boss base. Again edit features, go to edit features, and in direction 2 just select this guide curve. And OK. Now see, the profile is very much similar as I created a guide curve. So like this you can create any profile according to your creations by using this boundary boss base. So what you do here, just hide this plane. Now you can look the profile here. And the next command that I will discuss you in the later videos.